Morning, Stephen.
Morning, Dada Go. And this must be Mya Go. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Stephen Works.
Reception, please hold. Just a second, Dada Go. I'll get your badges.
He looks very busy.
He is. Stephen has to answer phone calls and questions for lots of people every day.
Here's your badge, Dada Go. And I've got a visitor badge for you, Mya Go. It's magic.
Really?
Yep, you'll see. Have a good day now.
Thanks, Stephen. Come on, Maya. My office is upstairs. We're taking the elevator.
I love elevators. Oh, where are the buttons?
Wave your badge in front of that black box.
The door opened. The badge really is magic.
It's pretty nifty, all right. Now, are you ready to see my office?
Yes, I am.
Dada Go and Maya have arrived at Dada Go's office, which is all the way up on the top floor.
I bet we can see all of every day from up here. Oh,
Not exactly, but I do have a great view of the car park.
what's that?
It's the printer. It prints out a list of my jobs for the day. At least, it does when it's working.
Why isn't it working?
Oh, the paper's jammed inside it again.
Again?
It happens a lot, but I can fix it.
Really?
It's just a matter of pulling the paper out nice and slowly. Ha-ha! Got it.
Well done, Dada.
Now, where were we?
The list of jobs for the day.
Ah, yes. Once I print out my job lists, I put them into this in tray here. And when I finish a job, it goes in the out tray here.
There's a lot more pages in that tray than this one.
That's how it is with work sometimes. Okay, let's get started.
What are you doing that for?
Because it's important to be comfortable when you're working. Like making sure the room isn't too hot. Can you turn on that fan, please, Maya?
Okay.
Thanks, Maya.
What does this button do?
Oh, Maya, wait! It's blown the pages out of my in tray and into my out tray.
Does that mean you're finished all your jobs?
It doesn't work that way, unfortunately.